Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard someone say, all my vacations are tax write offs, and thought, is that actually legal? Because here's the truth: vacations are not tax write offs, but business travel can be. And when done correctly, you can legally deduct large portions of trips that also include personal enjoyment. So, what does the IRS actually allow? The IRS allows business travel deduction under Internal Revenue Code Section 162. That section allows deductions for ordinary and necessary expenses while running a business. That does include business travel. But there are three rules, three specific rules. Number one, you must have a legitimate business purpose. Number two, business must be the primary reason for the trip. And rule number three is expenses must be reasonable and properly documented. Miss any of these rules, and the deduction fails. Business trips versus vacations. The IRS does not care how much fun the trip was, they care about the intent and time spent. If business is the main reason you traveled, it's a business trip. But if business is an afterthought, it's a vacation. Working on your laptop by the pool does not count. Business activities must be planned, scheduled, and documented. Documentation is where most people fail. You need proof, and that includes conference agendas, meetings, emails, calendars, contracts, and you need receipts for everything: for your flight, for your hotel, for your meals, for your transportation. Make sure you keep these receipts. You also need a daily activity log: what you did, who you met with, how it relates to your business, and always use separate business bank accounts. This is very important. You do not want to commingle your personal with your business. So let's go over some social media myths and let's clear some things up. Posting content does not make the trip deductible. Owning an LLC does not mean everything is a tax write off. And everyone does it is not a legal defense. The IRS audits based on patterns, lifestyle versus income, and excessive travel deductions is not going to be allowed. How to do this the right way? Here's a smart approach: plan business activities first, document everything, separate personal expenses